Hi everyone. So in this video I will show you how you can calculate working days between two dates. You can see in this table I have a start date and an end date. I need to calculate how many working days did it take to finish each project. So to do that, first I'll go to modeling and I'll click on new column. Now in this column we have to add a DAX formula. I already created mine, so I'm going to paste it here. I will also share it in the description so you can copy it from there. This formula is calculating weekdays and excluding weekends from the two dates. I will simply select OK, close this, and now you can see this has been created here. I will select my table and I will click it and bring it here. So now you can see I don't need to summarize. So the days to complete my each project is listed here. Thank you.